New year, new motivation, new gym membership. But here's the real question. How do you start? And more importantly, how do you stick with it? I want you to think like a scientist for a moment. Your body doesn't change from one workout, it changes from repeated signals over time. Every workout is a message to your muscles, your metabolism, and your nervous system saying, adapt. And the body is very good at adapting if you're consistent. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Most beginners make the same mistake. They go too hard, too fast, heavy weights, long sessions, sore for days. That doesn't build discipline, it builds burnout. From a biological standpoint, your muscles, joints, and connective tissue need time to adapt. When you overload them too quickly, recovery can't keep up, and motivation crashes. So here's how to start smart. Step 1. Pace yourself. Your first few weeks should feel almost easy. Focus on learning movement, not proving strength. Use weights you can control. Stop sets with a few reps left in the tank and keep workouts short. 30 to 45 minutes is perfect. Step 2. Progress gradually. Your body responds best to small increases in load, volume, or effort over time. Add a little weight, add one extra set, improve your form. These tiny upgrades compound, just like interest in a bank account. Step 3. Show up, even on low motivation days. Motivation is unreliable, habits are not. Even a bad workout still sends the signal to adapt, and that signal adds up. Remember this. Fitness isn't about being extreme for a month, it's about being reasonably consistent for years. Train smart, recover well, trust the process. Your future body is built by what you repeat, starting today.